Right back to playing. Hey, Abigail. That didn't take long.
It's so beautiful. I feel like I belong here.
Oh, easy, easy, easy. Easy.
Go next.
Abigail, you're a little rough there. Where you going? Where you going? Hey, uh-oh, there goes the dog's tail again. Uh-oh. Oh, you're bad, Abigail. You're pulling his hair out. What are you doing? Look, she's got a handful of his hair. Look at this. Look at this. Handful of the dog's hair. What are you so bad? You're so bad. Poor Hunter. Poor Hunter. No, Abigail, no. No tail pulling. That's bad. Watch out. No tail pulling. Okay, we're done.